In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tax rate in Xero. This is really useful if your business has updated its tax settings or if you've noticed that an account in your chart of accounts is using the wrong tax rate. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your transactions start using the correct tax automatically. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This menu is where Xero keeps most of the tools you'll use for managing your financial data, including your chart of accounts. Once the accounting menu opens, you'll see several options. From this list, click on Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where all of your accounts live, such as sales, purchases, bank accounts, expenses, and so on. Any change you make here, including tax rate changes, will affect how future transactions are coded to those accounts, so it's worth taking your time. After the chart of accounts page loads, you'll see a table of all your accounts, usually with columns like code, name, type, and tax rate. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if there is one, and locate the specific account you want to update. For example, it might be a revenue account for a certain type of sale, or an expense account that needs a different tax treatment. Once you've found the right account, click on it to select it. This will open up the details for that particular account. Before you change anything, quickly double check that you've chosen the correct account, because changing the tax rate here will usually affect all future transactions that use this account. Inside the account details, look for an option or link that says Change Tax Rate. Click on Change Tax Rate. Xero will then let you choose from the list of available tax rates that have been set up in your organization. Select the correct tax rate that applies to this account based on your local tax rules or your accountant's guidance. After selecting the new tax rate, make sure you save your changes. Once saved, any new transactions coded to this account will automatically use the updated tax rate, helping keep your reporting accurate and compliant. And that's all you need to do to change a tax rate for an account in Xero.